Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel and VBA Learning. In today's video we will see two functions, that is count and countif. So let's see how this function works. The first function is count. The count function counts the number of cells that contain number and counts number within the list of arguments. So now it is very simple. If I want to count how much, if I say count and the number of cell, I'll just press tab, value, this will be my value. If I close the bracket, if I enter, it's giving me as 0. Okay, so it won't count. Now because these are the text, so that is the reason it is not counting. So what I'll do is I'll give you an example for this. The same example in my previous video I used for sub, and the same thing we'll do is, what we'll do is just press as count, select the range, enter, and I get the count as 11. So let's see what is the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So here you can see the count is 11 and I got the count as 11 here as well. Okay, so this is what a count function does. It just count the number of cells in a range that we specify. So it won't take this, it will just take the numbers, it will just take the range of numbers, it won't take the text. Okay, so this is what a count function does. Now what a countif function does. The countif function counts the number of cells within a range that meet a single criteria that we specify. So same like this. Now what it is showing me is I've just given a simple formula. The formula for countif is countif, the range and the criteria that we need to specify. So what we'll do is we will just type as countif range. So this is my range, this is my range. Okay, and what is my criteria? Now I want a criteria as fruits. Enter. So now it's giving me count as 5. So let's see, let's count fruits. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the count of fruits is 5. So now if I change this count of vegetables to fruits, the count here has changed. It's giving me as 6. If I do this, it's giving me as 7. If I do this, it's giving me as 8, 9, 10, 11. So all this is showing as fruits and the count will be 11. Okay, so this is how a countif function works. Whatever criteria we specify, it will take. So now what I have done is I have just given my criteria into inverted comma. What if my criteria is stored in a cell or in a cell? So let's see, my criteria is stored here. So how does this countif function works? So this will be my range. Okay, I freeze it, comma, and my criteria will be this. So let's see whether it works or not. Here we go, it works. So instead of typing it in an inverted comma as vegetables, I can specify a cell wherein I can store my value, and I can just give that cell reference and I will get the count for my criteria that I have specified. Okay, so this is how a count and countif function works in an Excel. Hope you like my video, and please comment below and subscribe to my channel. Have a great evening.